Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Thai fried rice with shrimp, and the ingredient we have here is I have some jumbo shrimp that I de-shell already, take out the shell already, so some jumbo shrimp, jasmine rice. I have a bowl of jasmine rice here, preferably 1 day old rice. So 4 cloves of garlic, green onions, and to put in the rice you can put any green vegetable in there. I'm going to choose to use the green beans. And the other ingredient we need is chili flakes, chili oil, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. So let's prepare the ingredient. Let's chop up the garlic. So we need about 4 cloves of garlic. Just chop it like this. Green onion, for the vegetable I choose to use the green beans. You can use any green vegetable. So with that, so any green vegetable you can use. Sometimes we use a snow peas, but I don't have snow peas, so I'm going to substitute that with green beans. So you need some sugar. So sugar and eggs, 2 eggs. I use 2 eggs. About 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use a regular vegetable oil. Just 1 teaspoon of that. Bring it to really hot before you put in the garlic. Well, 30 seconds or so, about 20 to 30 seconds or so, not too long. Then the shrimp. Cook the shrimp maybe until it's a little done, until it turn red a little bit. Yeah. Put about half the rice in first. Don't put all of it in it. About half of it in. Two eggs and put in the middle. Now mix it all up. Now put the rest of the rice in. About half a teaspoon of soy sauce, not too much. Half a teaspoon of oyster sauce. Put in the green beans, and the green onion. I'm gonna put a little bit of a chili oil in there, maybe half a teaspoon or so, not too much. Then just put in some crushed red pepper flake. That's gonna add some spiciness to it. Put as much you want. You want some really spicy, put a lot in there. You know, so some right here, crushed red pepper flake. Okay, the food is done. I'm gonna plate it up. Shrimp. Thai fried rice with shrimp. So thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Have a little taste. Oh, that's really good. So you can put the pepper. You want more spicy, you can just this is Thai fried rice with shrimp. So thank you for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.